Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to customize and train your AI-powered chat assistant SIA using PDF or text-based documents. So here in the Dubb creation menu, under Assets, under Sales Assistants, here's where you can create your SIA, your Sales Interactive Assistants. Start by clicking the plus button. You'll notice a new option called Upload Document. Here is where you will be able to upload a PDF or text document in addition to the resource links and FAQs. Now, just be aware, this is primarily used for when you want to provide supplemental or specific information that's not listed on the websites or web pages that you're having the AI crawl. For example, if you already have a website or landing pages that have a lot of relevant information with FAQs and about us and all the information about your business or product or service, you can simply use the links, the website links, to train those AIs. However, if there's specific information that perhaps is missing from your website, let's say, for example, your website doesn't have an FAQ section, or it doesn't have an About Us section. And instead of having to go in to your website and make a specific page for the AI to be able to read this information, you can simply create a text or PDF document to upload for this to choose. So that means a .txt file or a .pdf file you would create. Now, you can take a video and download a TXT file from the captions that are automatically generated, and you can use that TXT file to then train the AI. Do be aware that when you're using a document to train your AIs, you'll want to make sure that the text in the document is labeled well, meaning it has sections like formatted headers, the spelling is correct, there's capitalization or punctuation, something like this. Here you can see this document has clearly defined headers and sections. This is what we would recommend if you want little bits of information to be readily accessible, is to just have it organized well. Now, it is possible to just put a lot of text unorganized into the document. However, if you have specific breakdowns like what is number 2 of the goals, right? If you don't have that labeled section here, it's not going to know where to look. So you would need to have specific sections labeled if you want the AI to be able to answer specifically about individual sections of information. Now, you can, again, just take a video, download the transcript, and add it into a text document. However, we would recommend only including information here that you wouldn't mind being read by your customers. So we don't recommend including like internal training-based language here mixed in with the external information, because there is a possibility that the agent may mention something on this conversation that is from your document. So this document is primarily meant to supplement what is missing from web pages. Now, if you're in an instance where you have no web page, you have no website, and you want to use a document instead, just be aware you will need that document to have this formatting that I'm talking about and having all the different relevant information about your business, your product, your service, yourself. Any information you would want accessible through the AI would need to be included in this document if you're not using websites. So primarily it's used to supplement websites with specific or timely or relevant information that's not included on a website. It is often easier to add information to a document than it is to go change a website, or it can be used in place of when you don't have a website and you want to use a document instead to train the AI.